same, just opposite.
Pretty much.
I don't know. I don't do one inserts.
All right. The one note here is to subtract.
I gotta do it.
B from A. Add the opposite. Of B to A. So if I have A minus B, that would be the same as A plus negative B. Okay, number 4, find the difference. 16 minus 32. So what we do is we take the bigger number and subtract off the smaller number, and then we keep the sign of the bigger number. So what would this be?
Negative 16.
Negative 16. 6. Negative 15 minus 29. Because he was listening.
I was listening. Look. 16 minus 32 is negative.
Yeah, but how did I explain to do it?
Negative 44.
minus a number.
Negative 44.
You add it together.
Taylor, you want to help him?
So you do 16 minus 32 and you keep the sign.
I knew it. That's what I told you.
Okay, this one. We can add the numbers together and then we keep the sign because they're both negative. So we get negative what?
44.
Negative 44. 8. 14.7 minus a negative 2.3. What happens when I have two negatives back to back?
You have to make it a positive.
We're going to add them, and we get what?
You get
18. Wait,
it's
no.
18.
17.
17.
Yeah.
3 and 7 gives us 10. Carry the 1, we get 17. How about this one? Negative 18.2 minus a negative 15.4. Do you have a question, Taylor?
I lost my pencil. Can I get a pencil? I won't lose it like you.
How do y'all not have backup pencils?
Because I've already gone through all of
In like 3 weeks?
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Or 4
It's
weeks?
because I lend them
Like
out to
last
people.
year, I lost all my pencils that they were all over the school.
Under the
So I remember I went to lunch one day and the person that was taking lunch orders was using my pencil.
How do you know if they're using your pencil?
Because mine were black.
All right. Negative 18.2 minus a negative 15.4. So that minus a negative is going to be what?
2.8. Negative 2.8.
Minus a negative isn't 2.8.
It's you add it.
Add them.
But the answer is negative 2.8.
So then I subtract 15.4 from 18.2. 18.2 is bigger, so I keep the sign of that one. So it is negative 2.8. Negative 7 over 10 minus a negative 2 over 5.
Oh, it's a plus.
A plus.
And that makes it
It's a new one.
4 over 10, so it'd be negative 3 over 10.
Okay, how did you get 4 over 10?
By multiplying that by 2, since that's common denominator.
Yep, I needed to multiply by 2 over 2 to get a common denominator, so I have negative 7 over 10 plus 4 over 10, and I get what?
Negative 3/10.
Yep, negative 3 over 10. Evaluate the expression when x is equal to 7.1 and y is equal to negative 2.5. 20. X minus, in parentheses, y minus 13.
Am I allowed to get up?
What?
Am I allowed to get up? Or like, do I have
I
to
mean, you can. I don't know what you're doing, but.
I was just about to start.
So I'm going to replace x and y with the values up here. So this is 7.1 minus, in parentheses, negative 2.5 minus 13. So what do I need to do first on a problem like this?
Make parentheses.
PEMDAS, I need to do the stuff in parentheses first. Negative 2.5 minus 13 is what?
22.6.
What?
I found the answer. 22.6.
Negative 15.5 is what I asked for. Now what I had to, wow, words. What do I do?
Plus a plus, and that's 22.6.
We add them and get 22 point, nope. Wait, yes, I looked at the wrong answer. There's also one that's 21.6 that's right beside it, and I was looking at the wrong problem. 22. Negative y minus x. So plug in. Negative times negative 2.5 minus 7.1. What happens here?
You plus a plus.
Who told you plus a plus?
Probably Miss Havens.
No. 9.6.
Mr. Manning.
I was just wondering. I've just never heard plus a plus. So, all right, so then answer, we do 7.1, what? 7.1 minus 2.5, keep the sign of 7.1, so it's going to be negative what?
4.6.
Negative 4.6.
Miss Stacy, do you think I'm smart?
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Everybody has moments where they're not being smart. Even I do.
Oh, really?
All the time.
I feel a little bit better.
I felt
Like when I'm walking around talking on the phone and looking for my phone at the same time.
I felt very unsmart yesterday when I went to go back set and I went like, did you see that one? I went to go back set and I went like this and I'm trying to figure out
Yeah,
where the
she went.
I'm trying to figure out where the ball is and like I didn't realize it was in my hand, so I just like slapped it back and it came back out.
Yeah. All right, find the change in temperature or elevation. So 26. From negative 5 degrees Celsius to negative 13 degrees Celsius. What is the difference in these two numbers? Say it louder. Say it louder.
No.
8.
The 13 is.
It is a change of negative 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, to get from negative 5 to negative 13, we subtract 8. And so it's negative 8 degrees Celsius. 28. From negative 300 feet to negative 100 feet. How do I get from negative 300 feet to negative 100 feet?
You add 200 feet.
Add 200 feet.
Do we have to put a plus number?
No, because it's assumed that it's positive. I mean, if you put the plus, it's not going to matter, but it's understood positive. It's just negative we have to do it for. All right, evaluate the expression when x is equal to 3.6, y is equal to 6.6, and z is equal to negative 11.
Where's it?
It can be all letters of the alphabet. There can even be Greek letters.
Greek letters.
So are notes like
Stop it.
what you have to do?
Like what I'm doing right now.
Yeah.
If you don't and you come ask me a question, I'm not going to answer it.
Well, I've been writing them down. I just
People who do well in my class take notes. I'll put it that
take
way.
notes and I don't do
You're like-
well in your class.
Well,
Do they talk just like me?
some of them.
But they still do
32,
well?
x minus y minus the absolute value of z. And they want us to solve this. So I'm going to plug in my numbers. So I've got 3.6 minus 6.6 minus the absolute value of negative 11.
Negative 6 minus 11 equals negative 17. What?
I don't think he heard a
Wait,
single word
negative
you said.
3 minus 11.
Okay, 3.6 minus 6.6 would be negative 3. Minus, what's the absolute value of negative 11?
11.
Positive 11. So negative 3 minus 11 is
8. 14.
negative 14.
Oh, yeah.
Add the numbers and keep the sign.
I saw Joe Biden yesterday.
No.
34. X minus the absolute value of y minus z. Plug in the numbers. 3.6 minus the absolute value of 6.6 minus a negative 11. So what's happening inside of here? $6.6 minus a negative 11 is what? Okay. Plus a plus. I don't know why that cracks me up so much. So what do I get inside of here?
17.6.
Yep, and that's positive, so I can go ahead and get rid of the absolute value bars. So 3.6 minus 17.6 is what?
Negative 14.
Negative 14.
Again?
It's a common answer, apparently.
You not put the dash between your 7?
What?
I did.
You write a 7 and
No. I think it looks funny.
It does.
I think it looks tough. I started
Miss
doing
Hayes
that.
used
I
to
started
do
doing
that.
that in 5th grade before tough was even like a word.
All right, questions, comments, or concerns about the section? Not about anything else. Okay. Problems then are 3 through 35, every other odd.
You're probably going to have to write that out for him even.
I would hope that by this point we now know what every other odd means.
That's what that meant last night. I legit
Every
had to-
other odd.
I
Oh.
was so confused. I was doing my homework and I'm like, oh.
17.
Yo, who like kicked over my water bottle?